Have you ever pondered on a future where manual labor is a concept of the past? Right now, manual labor plays a pivotal role in a multitude of sectors, from agriculture to construction and even in our homes. It's a world where muscle and grit often take precedence over intellectual prowess. It's a world where physical strain is commonplace, and risks, unfortunately, are part and parcel of the job. But let's shift gears and envision a new landscape. A future where the human hand is replaced by the precision of robotic arms, where the strength of a back is supplanted by the unyielding endurance of machines. This is the dawn of automation and robotics, technologies that could redefine the very essence of work. In this future, the cacophony of construction sites, the hustle of warehouses, and the toil of fields could all be orchestrated by robots. Imagine a world where the sweat of human brow is replaced by the whirring and clicking of machines. The robotic revolution is not just a flight of fancy, but a rapidly approaching reality. We're witnessing an unprecedented surge in robotic advancements and automation technologies. From intricate assembly lines in factories to autonomous robots in agriculture, the landscape of manual labor is being drastically reshaped. The potential benefits are overwhelming. Robots bring increased efficiency, working tirelessly around the clock, and deliver precision that surpasses human capabilities. They eliminate the risk of occupational hazards, creating safer work environments. Yet, this revolution is not without its drawbacks. Job displacement looms large as robots take over manual tasks, raising concerns about employment rates. Moreover, the loss of the human touch, the creativity and spontaneity that we bring to our work, is irreplaceable. The robotic revolution is a double-edged sword. It promises a future of efficiency and precision, redefining the nature of work as we know it. But at what cost? We must consider the human implications as we stride into this brave new world. So, what does this future of robots and automation hold for us? In the grand scheme of things, it's a world where manual labor is reduced to a minimum, and robots take over the grind. We've talked about the many benefits this could bring: increased efficiency, fewer workplace injuries, and a potential boost to the economy. But we also need to consider the drawbacks. Job displacement could be a real issue, and the transition may not be smooth for everyone. The future, however, isn't necessarily bleak. As robots take over manual tasks, we humans could find ourselves transitioning into more cognitive roles. Jobs that require creativity, critical thinking, or emotional intelligence might see a significant rise. This shift could lead to societal changes, possibly ushering in a new era of intellectual advancement. As we stand on the brink of this robotic revolution, we must prepare ourselves for a future that may be less manual but perhaps more mentally demanding.